This is my 12-inch Ego Black memory foam mattress from MLILY. It features 12 inches of memory foam, some infused with gel to regulate temperature, some infused with copper to control odor, and it has this nifty graphene cover, which sleeps rather cool. Came to my house in a box, which I had no trouble taking downstairs to my guest bedroom. I unrolled it, realized I needed to flip it over, and once cut loose, it really started to self-inflate. It looked like within minutes it was at full size, but they do recommend a 72-hour period for it to achieve max firmness. I slept on this mattress last night, and I think it is as billed a medium firmness mattress, expected to get a little softer over time. I didn't get sweaty, and you know what? It's made in the USA. And it's a fraction of the price of my Tempur-Pedic with a lot of the similar technologies, even smells the same. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider following my Amazon shop for more of my finds.